Welcome back to Aegis Armors, North Carolina's premier automotive specialty coatings company. In this video, we transformed both a C5 and C6 Corvette into showroom quality masterpieces. To start, our expert technicians meticulously assess each vehicle's paintwork, identifying imperfections and blemishes. Then, with unparalleled expertise and precision, and utilizing cutting-edge techniques and top-of-the-line products, we begin by removing swirl marks, scratches, and blemishes, restoring both the luster and the depth of the original paint. Aegis Armors then applied our signature ceramic coatings, providing unrivaled protection against environmental contaminants, UV rays, and everyday wear and tear. This innovative coating not only enhances the car's gloss and shine, but also facilitates effortless maintenance for years to come. From start to finish, Aegis Armors' dedication to perfection and craftsmanship shines through, leaving both the C5 and C6 Corvette with an unparalleled finish that exudes elegance and sophistication. If you're interested in restoring your car back to a better-than-new finish, give us a call at 336-570-9790 or stop by our facility in Burlington for a free assessment and quote. Corrected, very hazy. Corrected, very crisp. This is where the paint correction has been done. And this is where the paint correction has not been done. Uncorrected. Corrected. This vehicle got our complete wheel coating package with brakes. We took the car up in the air, cleaned the wheel inside and out, cleaned the brake calipers, and then coated with our Aegis Armors heavy duty wheel and brake coating.